A kingdom of silence, a continent at the bottom of the world, untouched by human time, where the horizon is endless, and survival is a question nature rarely answers. This is Antarctica, and hidden deep within its frozen heart lies a place so surreal it looks like a glitch in reality. Queen Maud Land, a wilderness of black stone and white infinity where mountains rise like colossal teeth tearing through the world's greatest ice sheet. Here, the cold is not weather, it is law. It sculpts, it erases, it owns everything. The wind screams unchecked, sharper than broken glass, able to strip the warmth from steel in seconds. Moisture freezes mid-breath, shadows feel colder than night itself, and yet, towering monoliths of granite stand defiantly above the ice as if refusing to be buried by time. Nunataks, ancient rock spires, dark, jagged, ruthless, some nearly 3 kilometers tall, each shaped by millions of years of glacial warfare. The ice does not sit still. No, it flows. Entire landscapes creep like frozen rivers, folding upon themselves, grinding mountains into dust grain by grain. Imagine the sound, the deep, thunderous groan of glaciers shifting beneath the world's feet. A whisper of continents still alive. Sunlight here is strange. It doesn't rise or fall. It circles, endlessly, casting a halo of cold gold across the tundra. Shadows rotate like the hands of a clock that forgot how to tick. Some peaks seem alive with personality. Mount Ulvatana, a perfect fang of stone, like a wolf's tooth slicing the sky. Mount Holtana, a frozen amphitheater of ice and stone, echoing avalanches like applause from giants. The Sur-Rondaine Mountains, a parade of granite guardians marching toward a horizon that never ends. From above, this land appears alien. Blue ice rivers twisting around black fortresses, crevasses splitting the earth like lightning trapped in a freeze frame. And below that ice, a secret, a freshwater tomb, vast enough to redraw the world's coastline if it ever decides to melt. Antarctica holds 90% of the planet's ice, so much power locked in silence. Life survives here, but just barely. Microscopic springtails clinging to existence on algae that grow like emerald dust in the snow. Invisible heroes of a frozen world. Even the emperor penguin, the champion of Antarctic endurance, does not dare march into Queen Maud Land's deepest interior. The cold here rejects them, rejects almost everything. Humanity exists as a visitor, humble and temporary. A research station lies buried in a ridge of snow, metal cylinders half swallowed by winter, shivering under katabatic winds that roar down off the plateau with the force of a falling planet. Scientists chase history in the ice, drilling down to air older than civilization, collecting bubbles that once drifted through prehistoric jungles on a version of Earth we would not recognize. Each core is a memory, a warning, a truth frozen in time. The sky erupts in auroras, veins of emerald fire streaking across blackness so pure it seems to swallow sound. The mountains glow blue from within, as if the ice remembers the sun, even in the dark. This is a paradox of a place where the driest desert on Earth is made entirely of frozen water, where stone feels younger than ice, where isolation is not just geography, but destiny. Few eyes will ever see this. Even fewer will ever understand it. And maybe that is the point. Queen Maud Land is not meant to be conquered, not meant to be tamed. It is a reminder that Earth still holds realms where wilderness reigns without witness, without apology. A reminder that nature's greatest cathedrals need no believers to be sacred. In this land of endless white and immortal stone, the planet speaks in a voice older than humanity, a voice that whispers, We are temporary, but the earth is not. Here, at the edge of the world, the silence has weight, time has patience, and the mountains dream of a world untouched by hands. Queen Maud Land, where reality feels like myth, and the earth remains in its most powerful form, untamed, unbroken, unbelievable.